Holy crap! Another one!
The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Bristol County in southeast Massachusetts, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, northern Providence County in Rhode Island, north central Bristol County in Rhode Island, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:21 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a swath of moderate to heavy rain across the warned area. Radar estimates that 2 inches of rain has already fallen over portions of far northern Rhode Island. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour are expected within the warning area into early this afternoon. As a result, flash flooding is expected. The main threat has been flash flooding as well as rapid inundation of other low-lying and poor drainage areas. However, small stream flooding is also possible. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pawtucket, Taunton, East Providence, Woonsocket, Cumberland, North Providence, Franklin, Johnston, North Attleboro, Stoughton, Attleboro, Mansfield, Easton, Smithfield, Lincoln, Central Falls, Norton, Sharon, Foxborough, Bellingham, Barrington, Brittleville, Swansea, Seekonk, Uxbridge, North Smithfield, Rehoboth, Norfolk, Wrentham, and Gloucester. Rapid and potentially life-threatening flooding of